Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes an appearance on FCC certification website ahead of the expected launch in August. Hey guys, we are back again with some latest Samsung news, and today we got our first FCC certification of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was previously spotted on Geekbench revealing processor RAM OS. And more. With a few weeks left to the launch, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been spotted on Federal Communications Commission FCC revealing the phone's network details, Wi-Fi details, and more. Let's take a look at the phone's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with SMF 936U model number has been spotted on the FCC database. Based on the listing, the device will come with Qualcomm Gen 2 Smart Transmit feature, and it will come with support for 2 grams, 3 grams, 4 grams, and 5 grams networks. The site also confirms Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC support, which are not surprising given this is a flagship device. The Z Fold 4 supports multiple 4 grams as well as 5 grams bands. Further, the phone is tipped to come with a wireless power transfer, which could be a reference to reverse wireless charging. The images show the placements of the Wave antennas on the device and the below screenshots from FCC. The Update 800 adapter has been used for testing. An EPIN 510 wireless charging pad was used while testing the device as well. The listing also suggests the device could support S Pen similar to the Z Fold 3. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is tipped to sport a 7.6 inches 2K AMO display on the inside with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is said to have a 16 megapixel under-screen camera as well. It could feature a 6.2 inches cover display and a 10 megapixel front camera. The phone is rumored to sport a triple camera setup on the back. It will have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera sensor. The foldable is said to 400 mAh battery and 4 to 5 watts fast charging out of the box. It will also support 15-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. So what do you guys think about this spec sheet from Samsung Fold series? Let me know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out, you.